Any bell forward.
I win. Oh, there we go.
Nice. Pushing forward. Nice second round. Here, leap in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Leap in. Let's forward. Pushing here. Point four. Black cut back. On him. Step. One step. Putting back. Okay, season check. We have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. On my. Push high. 3, 2, 1. Step 2 up. Pushing to the right side. Pushing to the right side. Pivot up. Lines forward. Right drop. Bomb here. Pull back. I'm about to go down. Pull back.
User disconnected from your channel.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pushing the left hand side. 3, 2, 1. Left hand side. Push up to left hand side. Ready, push to the right side. 3, 2, 1. Leap in 3, 2, 1. Leap in. Pushing here. Chase it back. Chase it back. There we go. There we go, keep chasing. Get refreshing. 3, 2, 1. Refresh. Now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pushing through. Keep chasing. Line 4. Let me shoot. Keep it. Get refreshing. 5 seconds. 4. Watch here. 3, 2, 1. Watch last. Pushing 3, 2. Pushing right side.
Shields?
With me. Oh shit, down in banner here. Back. Getting out of him. With me. Pressure. Watch with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pushing again.
What on you? Standing ahead.
Hey guys, silent. Too deep. First time. Hey, line 4. Air is 4 here. Right side. Rest. Step one. Protection. Pushing here. Damage to me. Keep moving.
User was moved out of your channel.
Pulling back a bit.
User entered your channel.
Water and blast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pushing right side. 3, 2. No, back.
Down.
Ready forward. Get a down place. Back on down. Moving to the right side. Let me shoot. Was a meter full. Speed protection. Melee pushing a bit. Move forward. Pushing safety to the left side. Shifting to the left side. Ring here. Let me shoot. Push to me. Back. 5, 4, 3. Plus water. 2, 1. Pushing towards Cleveland. Slow push. Go focus down. Nice down. Pushing forward. There's only one group now. The other group locked down. Maybe. Step one. Leap in. Move forward. CC forward. Step 2.
Static.
Track catch.
YB's got some JQ on YBP yellow.
Okay.
That's probably yellow.
Shields?
Pushing to the south.
Stun it.
User was moved out of your channel.
No, just range. Blaster.
What on pin?
User joined your channel.
Me gets rocking back in power 5. 2, 1. Really. Get health again. Range up. Pace up. I think we lost the tower. They're pushing us. Guys, stay with me. Back. Pulling back. Blast of water. Focus down here. Bearing power in 3,
Small
2,
auto.
1. Prepare. Pushing right side. Leaping in here. Leaping to me.
Need a shot?
Okay. That's
User was moved out of your channel.
Cutting back.
To the ground.
Pulling back. Range 4. Pressure. To right side. Back onto the bridge. Step 1. Step 2 ready. Pressure on the bridge. Pushing the bridge. Step 2.
Static.
They're being on the bridge.
Okay. On the bridge. One bridge. Power 5. 3, 2, 1. Pushing us. Pushing 3, 2. Protection up. Okay, lining up. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Power. Very pushing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on up. Step 1. We're leaping 3, 2, 1. We're leaping through. They're already running away. Let's go. Chase. Move forward. Damage you. Protection up. Bomb here. stay. Back, work it down. Alright, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, back, turn the right side, push on the right side, 3, 2, 1, step right side, push on the right side, step 2, step 1 will be up soon. Let's go, pushing down, step the right side, AOE on the left, step right side, AOE on the left. Let's go, pushing down, step 1 up. Leap in. Move forward, ring down, 3, 2, 1, ring down, bomb here, just on my feet, just on my feet. Keep on me, nice. Get us the same, get a water to the front in 3, 2, 1, water please, last, nice water. Keep pushing. Oh, we're missing where's JQ?
What?